Alright guys, let's talk projectors. Specifically the REDMI Projector 3 Lite. You know, REDMI for their killer value, and they're bringing that same energy to the projector game. This thing is crazy affordable, especially when you see what it can do. We're talking solid specs, a bright picture, and a bunch of features you wouldn't expect at this price point. So, is this the budget projector king? Let's dive in and find out. Now I know what you're thinking. A budget projector? What kind of compromises are we talking about? Well, that's the thing. REDMI really surprised me here. They didn't cut corners where it matters. You're getting a really solid projector experience without breaking the bank. Stay tuned and I'll break down all the details. Okay, let's talk numbers. The REDMI Projector 3 Lite is priced incredibly competitively. It's clear they're trying to make a splash in the projector market, and this price point is definitely aggressive. As for availability, it's launching first in China, but don't worry, they'll be rolling it out globally soon. Keep an eye out for it at your usual online retailers, and maybe even some local electronics stores. Knowing REDMI, they usually do a good job of making their products widely available. Alright, with the price and availability out of the way, let's move on to the good stuff, the actual projector performance. Let's be real, the most important thing about a projector is the image quality, right? And the REDMI Projector 3 Lite doesn't disappoint. We're talking crisp details, vibrant colors, and a surprisingly bright picture for a budget projector. They've even included some software optimization for different lighting conditions. So, whether you're watching in a dark room or you've got some ambient light, the projector adjusts to give you the best possible image. Of course, it's not going to be a full-on home theater experience, but for casual movie nights and gaming sessions, it's seriously impressive. Section 4, Cool and Quiet, improved thermal management and noise reduction. One thing that always bugged me about cheaper projectors is that they can sound like a jet engine taking off. But REDMI stepped up their game with the Projector 3 Lite. They've implemented a new cooling system that's not just efficient, but also whisper quiet. You can actually focus on the movie or game you're watching without getting distracted by fan noise. Trust me, this is a big deal, especially for a budget projector. They've clearly put a lot of thought into the user experience here. Section 5, Smart Features and Performance, a closer look. Now let's talk about the brains of this thing. The REDMI Projector 3 Lite comes with a bunch of smart features that make it super user-friendly. First up, we've got autofocus. This means the projector automatically adjusts the focus for you so you don't have to fiddle around with any dials. It's quick and it works really well. Under the hood, it's powered by a capable processor that ensures smooth navigation and snappy performance. You're not going to experience any lag or stuttering, even when you're navigating through menus or streaming content.